Hey guys, Ben here from Blue Ladder, and today we got a Maykker tool belt we're gonna play with. Thank you, Window Cleaning Resource, for the Maykker tool belt. Look at this, guys. It looks cool, and it is cool. I gotta admit, I used to be skeptical about the Maykker tool belts. Guys, they're better than the internet makes them seem. Not gonna lie, they're really nice. They are worth the hefty price tag. Now, would I buy it for my employees? Only when they've done a really good job. But was it worth the investment for me to wear it? You bet. Durable, couple pieces here. This box, nice boxes. So this, you put the aluminum little wrapper thing for steel wool. It preserves the steel wool. It's pretty handy. It's pretty cool. And then this little sleeve, you can put your little small scrubber mop or squeegee handle in there. And you got these little molly clips. This is like military grade, high end. Like this thing, it's not your lead tech's tool belt, or maybe a lead tech who did a really good job and you want to reward them. But this is like an owner operator specialty, kind of a bougie where like you buy this, you won't need another one for life. These are durable. I've already heard a lot of good reports about them. It's a little bit pricey. That's why you wouldn't maybe hire it for just somebody you're training. You use it for somebody if you're the owner operator, if you've got a guy you want to take care of, like a special reward or present. Like these things, they're going to last 10, 20 years easy. All right, so got to figure out how these molly clips work. But I know typically these are made so that you can put them wherever you want, kind of design it and set it up however you like. They typically recommend having, you got this main pouch and then you get this other big pouch that you put kind of staggered down on it somewhere. But this I'm excited for. I'm just going to figure out how to clip these on together and try to make it comfortable. I want to make sure that as it's on my side, I have this closer to the front because I use steel wool a lot out here in Texas. So let's see if we can get this figured out. It's easier than it looks. Now, one of the really cool things about this is you have this buckle up here. And so, most of the time I just keep my tool pouch on my belt, on my main tool belt. But I wear a normal belt too, like a lot of men do. And sometimes this is going to be really nice because you can just take this, unhook it, and hook it right onto your regular waist belt. There we go. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed. I'm going to lower this section. Right now I have it on the second row. I'm going to adjust a little bit more because the way it hangs on me, everybody manages their pouches differently, right? I like to have the dry pouch up at the top, and then I want to have a little bit lower down hanging my pouch with all my wet rags. And so the interior of this is actually hard to see from here, right? You don't know, but this is like a nice, durable, waterproof kind of plastic or vinyl inside lining. And there's actually a few little pockets in there so you can put little tools, screen grabber or screen tool of some sort, and extra rubber or whatever you need to take with you. It can fit in there fine. But I'll have this drop down just a little bit lower, and I'll probably raise this and this up to the top lining here, and then I'll feel right at home in my own belt. I'm going to do another video in a future day about my tool belt going into the 2025 season, but tune in for that one later. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you do like the idea of the Maykker tool belt, I do think in it all, now that I've used it a little bit, I think that it measures up to the hype. Like I said, not your tech's tool belt, but the homeowner, or sorry, the business owner. If you're a DIY kind of guy, you're doing the work yourself, you're on the ladder, you're cleaning everything, I think the investment will pay off. So I'll see you guys in the next one.